Okay, welcome back. I think and I believe it's no more a new thing how we got to this point. And this class will be talking about how to import footage, a video clip, sound, images, and all the rest. I think it's no more a new thing on how we're able to arrive at this point. We looked at the different panels that we are working with, and now we want to talk about how we can import image. So if you still did not know, or maybe you're just joining us for the first time, I think you should go back to the previous video and you understand how we're able to arrive at this point. So let's quickly go into the class for today. So importing our videos, there are different ways you can import your videos, but then the before we start importing our videos, there are some basic things I feel are much important that you need to do. You need to arrange your clips, arrange your footages um, on how arrange them based on how you want them to be. Because um, if you import your video, import your sound, import your images, and all the rest, and all of them are clustered at a place, it will be difficult for you to sort out things. It's not like you cannot sort out, it will be difficult for you to sort out things. You will have to be scrolling and scrolling. It will be so overwhelming for you. So this is what you do. You have to arrange them into folders. So arranging them into folders. Remember, this is our project panel where all the clips we imported comes in. So so any clip you import comes here. But then let's create folders for each of these. So what we'll do first is either go here where you have new bin. You can see where my cursor is, where you have new bin. Click on it and then okay. So all you need to do is you have new bin here. Sorry, not new item. You have new bin here. Click on new bin. You see this? Just rename it. So let's name these videos. See that? Then you just click outside the box. Then you click on the new bin again. Let's name this sounds. You see? So you click it again. Let's name this what are we going to name this now? Let's we're going to name this now. Let's name these images. You get, so let's just leave it at this. For the sake of this class, let's just leave it as this. So your image could be icon, logos, and all the rest. So you can put all of them here. Now, you see how neat this is. See how neat this is. Now, imagine you have 1,000 videos, 1,000 sounds, 1,000 images. All of them are clustered here. If you need a particular image, you have to be scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling before you could get any of the videos. Do you understand what I'm saying? So it is better you arrange them like this so that whatever, if you want sound, you just go to sound folder and double click and it opens and you get the sound you want. Now let's look at importing our clips. Now there are different ways you can import your clips. Now the first is you can go to file at the top left, go to file, import, file, import, and it will take you to where your folder is, where you can have different clips. So let's use some of these videos here. Once you click on it and you click open, it loads the image there. Then, mind you, before you start importing, remember we created folder. You need to tell the software where you're taking the video you're importing to. We want to import video. You have to click on this video folder. We double click on it to open the folder. You can see it's empty. We are inside the folder now. So once I go to file, import, and click on any clip you want to import, click on it, open it, and here our video is in. So if you go back to our project, you can see our video, you can see one item in video. These other ones are zero items, zero items. So we have one item here. So if you want to import sound, you do the same thing, double click, file, import, and it takes you to wherever your sound is. You go to where your sound is, click on it and click open. But then to rush this class, now same thing to image. So that's one way to import your uh, clips into your Premiere Pro. Now second way is this. We have what I call the drag and drop. Drag and drop. So what you just need to do here, you need to go to your desktop, go to your desktop. You can see it's still the same process. Go to where you have the videos and just click on any of the videos. Click on any video you want to import or any sound you want to import. Then once you click on it like this, you left click on it, hold it, drag it to where your software is. Once you drag it to this point, as you can see, to take it to your Premiere Pro, then you take it to where you want it to be. If it is video, you take it to the video folder. If it is sound, you take it to sound folder. If it is image, you take it to the image folder, and as the case may be. But then, for the sake of this class, I don't advise this because this could take your video to anywhere. I don't advise you use this format. It's not like it's not workable, but then personally, I don't like using it. That's the second pattern. Then the third pattern is this. Now we want to import sound or video or an image. Double click on the folder you want to open, then double click on the empty space there. Once you double click, you can see that all of them are still the same process. Now let's say we want to import sound. Go to where your sound is and just click on it, open it, and your sound comes in. Do you understand? Your sound comes in. You can go back to your project folder and you have one item here. Same thing to image. This pattern is preferable and I recommend this to you. It's easier and safer for you. You go back to images, go to where your images are, click on any of the image and open it. It comes in. You can see we have image one item, sound one item, videos one item. So this is how you can arrange and import your clip into your Premiere Pro. So